In this tutorial, you're going to see how easy it is to work with offline content in SharePoint. In SharePoint, you can sync any list or library to your local PC or Mac. This is great in times when you might be offline or not able to connect to the company network. You can have a copy of all your important content offline. You can make any changes you like, and when you come back online, those changes will be synced up automatically. Let's take a look at how this process works. I'm going to go to my company documents library, and notice I have two options. I can add a shortcut to this library in OneDrive. Now this won't permit me to work with offline content, but if I am used to managing content more from OneDrive than I am from SharePoint, this can be a great way to keep links and pointers to all my libraries in OneDrive as well. The feature we're going to talk about is the sync feature. As soon as I press this feature to sync my drive, I will get prompted whether or not I want to create a new folder within OneDrive. After OneDrive has synced the library, and beware this syncing process may take a while for large libraries or libraries that contain large pieces of content, I can find my synced library right in my Windows Explorer. Notice I can go right to my company documents folder, and I can see my company documents. I can also edit these documents directly from my computer. Let me go ahead and edit my accounting document. Now I have my document open in Microsoft Word for editing. Let's add some content to this document. And we'll go ahead and add some formatting and styling. And I can save my changes and close Microsoft Word. Notice when I come back to SharePoint, I can see my document's been updated. And I can validate that my updates have been made by clicking on the document and seeing my changes. So syncing is a really great tool to use. If you want to work with content offline, if you're not available to connect to Office 365 or to your company network. If for any reason you decide you do not want to maintain a synced folder on your computer, it's very easy to remove the sync as well. In your Windows Explorer, you can simply right-click on your synced library, choose to delete, and finally confirm that you actually want to delete the folder. So if you're going to be out in the field and working in remote areas, don't forget about this sync feature. It's a great one to know about.